Crypto fans, thanks for stopping in. I'm CryPTOMAXX. This is CryPTOMAXX News. And 50K. Yes. All right. There is a reason. So there's a psychological barrier to the Bitcoin 50K mark. And I want to tell you, you look even back in, February when it hit that 50K. And they talked about that psychological barrier. But anyway, all right. You can tell I'm pretty excited because everything else is rolling. Look at Cardano. All right, I better stop. Hang on. I'm going to reset. And yeah, I'm always like this. So, okay. Not financial advice. I got to go back through all the things, but again, I am a new channel, so I appreciate you supporting the channel, and the like and subscribe are really important. And my commitment back to you is I'm always going to keep digging for things that are important. And again, I do more research than the other stuff. That's my style, and I like to bring a little bit of fun to that as well. And I think crypto is a heck of a lot of fun. So if you're new to crypto, there's lots of little things, advice that I'm going to have. Especially, there was an article here recently on the millennials and how all the millennial parents are coming into crypto. So if you happen to fall in, it doesn't matter what category you fall into. If you're new, though, I would say take a step back when you get here to crypto. Whatever you do, do not throw. I mean, if you got money to burn, have at it, but don't throw into all the meme coins. I'm just gonna stop right there. And anyway, not financial advice. This is educational purposes only. But I'm trying to save you a little bit. Okay, so great time to come into crypto. We're at a very low adoption rate, but it's booming. And it's growing leaps and bounds, way higher than we ever thought it was going to. So, or at this kind of pace. It was already outpacing the growth of the internet in the 90s. So, and now I think it's just like double or tripling that. It's going pure insanity. And wait till I show you the first article. So Bitcoin cracks 50K, huge. And you can see everything is either very bullish, or we got two out of the top 20 that are slightly bullish, with only one being neutral. And that's because Solana kicked butt here leading up to this. And so they've cooled off a little bit, but they had a beautiful run. I'm going to talk about Solana here in a minute. Anyway, okay. Bitcoin doing great. Everybody's doing great. All right, end of story. So, all right. Take a look at this article. Sometimes I'm glad that I'm late night guy. This just came out. Deloitte Survey. Crypto will rival or replace fiat within 10 years. Okay, so just think of, anytime you hear fiat, if you're new, just think of it like real currency, wherever, okay? The dollar, the peso, the hio, the yuan, so the yen, right? I have limited foreign knowledge of fiat names. All right, that's remarkable. Okay, if you don't know who Deloitte is, okay, they are one of the big four accounting firms, and when we say big, they're massive, and they believe that crypto is going to rival or replace fiat in 10 years. If you're a banker, and I've got some banking friends, I don't think they want to talk to me right now, but anyway, it is exploding. There's nothing you can do to stop it. You might as well get on the train. And right now, you've got the engine of the train is Bitcoin, and that's why it's so exciting to see Bitcoin hit that 50K mark, because the psychological piece, like I was saying, is huge. Liftoff is here. And next target, all-time high, 65, 66K. And then we'll see where we go from there. But I think you're talking about a pretty big run. Not financial advice, again, my own opinion. But I was so wanting to see that 50K. And I know a lot of other people were, but I just kind of pay attention to these psychological things. And even the way I do my research is a little like that. So I kind of try to read between the lines and connect the dots. But Deloitte saying that is unbelievable. Unbelievable. So, all right. First time since May, 50K. What are you going to say? Yes, I tried to rang that last word. But enough said, right? Bitcoin on fire. Everything else is rolling. And you know what? Let me really quick go back and give Cardano its due. It was up at like 286, 87, something like that. It was crushing it. If we don't see, before the week's out, Cardano's going to be at $3. Might be before midweek. So if you had a good position on Cardano, I did. You're happy. You're happy about all of this. Look at this. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance, XRP, Doge. I did exit all my positions on Doge. I'll talk about that another day. I've had Polka. I don't have any more right now. I have a nice position in Solana, and we can stop there. But whew, what a great day! Enjoy. When you're having days like this in crypto, and you're looking and everything is green. It's like can you put your phone down? It's just so fun, so much fun. I love it. All right. Another reason to be bullish right here. PayPal launches. This is an all news day, right? There wasn't anything groundbreaking in XRP because I love XRP. So all I'm going to say groundbreaking is let's just keep on seeing XRP skyrocket and wait for the good news, the ultimate good news of the SEC case. And then that lid comes off and floodgates open, and I'm going to be in here and I've got streamers and parties, party horns going, red lights going off in the background. All right. So PayPal launches crypto services in UK. So we knew that a lot of this was coming, but now all of a sudden they've actually launched it in the UK, and they're going to be opening it up for payment. You can sell, and I don't know if they've opened up the wallet feature. I know that they have. That really hurt PayPal when they didn't have a wallet feature and they wouldn't let you move it and do anything. So anyway, I've done a little bit on PayPal in the past. But another reason to be bullish, huge bullish. Okay, so I'm going to make it a pretty quick night. It was more of a news night tonight. I do want to tell you about this. So I'm really hot on the NFTs, really hot, and it's almost like you just want to try to pick a winner. Well, NFTs, one of the great things about Ethereum is it's got such a huge base of all the dApps that are built on that. And, it's the platform, and away you go. You've got everything built on that. But the gas fees are really crushing. I mean, to mint a NFT is a expensive. So it has to be worth a lot of money. And then they have to charge a little. They have to overcharge. Well, I have talked about Solana. Solana is ripe for taking some of Ethereum's market share. And I talked about this a little bit ago. They got a huge round of funding, like 314 million, and then Ethereum had the delay of Ethereum 2.0, right? I'm not talking about the London hard fork. I'm talking about the 2.0 into 2022, right? So that gave Solana a really good runway. So this is Solana. If you haven't seen Solana, do yourself a favor and go check them out, because they're something. I mean, they're rolling. Check out this ecosystem, right? So they have, we could just call them all dApps, but whatever you prefer. Let's focus on the NFTs. NFTs are, to me, they're going to take over the world. And it's not just in the kind of the gamey and cartoony and art and all that. They're going to tokenize real value things. Your house is going to be an NFT on the blockchain. It's going to be transacted that way when you buy and sell. You might have almost like a timeshare version of your home in Hawaii or wherever, right? And you're going to be able to do transactions on that. So you might be able to sell. There is going to be a beautiful NFT blockchain version of, and I haven't looked into this, but like Airbnb. And I know it's out there. I know it exists right now, but I just haven't looked at it. Japan just launched something like that. And so I'll dig into that. But I believe NFT is going to be huge. I believe it's going to be totally integrated into our blockchain world, and it's going to be a huge functional part of our society. Take over functional part of our society. So in contracts, because you're tokenizing the uniqueness of that item. And that's what an NFT is, non-fungible token. It's not like a penny is a penny is a penny, right? A penny has a serial number, it's unique, and it's identifiable by that one. And now all of a sudden it's on whatever item that is. And it can be a physical or a virtual item. So you can attach NFTs to either or. Okay. Just in case you're curious, and this wasn't really that hard to set up, but there is the Sawbits are launching tomorrow. And so my time is 11:23 Pacific. So if you happen to watch this over the next little bit, there's a launch tomorrow. Sawbits, these funky little dudes, right? But you've seen what some of these things go for, especially if you get in early, and who knows, you get one of the more rare ones, or the limited edition types. So go check it out, Sawbits. And now you have to. You're not buying it with Ethereum. You're buying it with Solanas, right? SOL. And you can probably, I would imagine, the easiest way and the most simple way is go get Phantom, which is phantom.app, which is a wallet that supports Solana, and then go to FTX, and they have a direct exchange right into that wallet, which then you can buy Sawbits with at the launch here. So you can go pop in a couple things. Again, tonight was just a night to enjoy what we've had for. I mean, when everything's green like that and all of the signs are pointing in one direction, which is up, enjoy it, smile, love it. Put your phone a little closer to your nightstand and just get a few less hours of sleep and just keep watching your crypto go up. Anyway. Like, subscribe, follow. I'll be back tomorrow.